Welcome back to my channel fitness.tanvir. Dear viewers, today I just plan to show you guys for the weight loss program and as a healthy diet to show you how I'm preparing the lunch for today. I'm going to share with you my recipe. So this is my kitchen and I'm trying to make some healthy diets. So let's see. So I got a broccoli here. As you can see, this is almost close to 200 grams broccoli. I'm gonna cut it down in the big cubes. As you know, the broccoli is a superfood. It's really healthy for our bones strength and also to get muscles. You know, the anabolic food, you can say, is actually an anabolic food, the broccoli. And I got some beans here. I'm going to steam them, or you can steam also, or you can boil them. I'm just trying to take them out, the extra part here. This is my first time I'm making this, you know. I already prepared the beans and the broccoli. I'm going to steam them for a minute, and after that you can see I'm already boiling the chicken breast here, which is 165 gram chicken breast. So I think the chicken breast is already done, as I can see, because I'm going to fry them also with the olive oil. So let me just boil the vegetables. So dear viewers, I'm boiling the broccoli and the green peas. It's almost done. I'm not gonna boil it too much so that I can have all the nutrients. If you overboil it, you are gonna lose the nutrients. So we're gonna make sure going to boil it 1 minute maximum, and after that I'm gonna fry the chicken breast and the broccoli and the peas, and I'm gonna dish it out. So I'm gonna placing this one on the other one. This is my fry pan. This is black pepper I need. So viewers, my thing is almost done. You can see the chicken breast is I already boiled, and the vegetables. So right now I'm gonna make it with a little bit spice and tasty, so that some people who like so much spicy, so that you know, a lot of people they don't want to follow the healthy diets because they think that is only boiling and no salt, nothing. They don't enjoy. So I'm gonna make something like that so that the viewers also, you're gonna enjoy it if you prepare. I'm going to use some spice here, some seasoning spice on the chicken breast and the vegetables, and I'm going to use a mustard oil, which is very healthy, you know, and the salt, nothing else, and the black pepper. There's the three things I'm going to use it, the black pepper. So let's start preparing. My pan is already warm. You can use a mustard oil also, you know, mustard oil is very healthy, and also you can use the olive oil, but today I'm not using olive oil, I'm using a mustard oil. You can use just a 1 tablespoon or less. So let me rinse the vegetables from the water. in the pan. I have 165 grams of chicken breast and 150 grams of broccoli and 120 grams of the green peas. So as you can see, it looks so delicious and healthy. My meal is almost prepared. So I'm gonna now dish it in a plate. And there's some superfood I'm gonna add it. You can see the beautiful this small size of avocados. I'm gonna have this avocado with my meal. If somebody wants like really craving anything, you wanna add a starch, you can add a small portion of rice or a brown bread or brown rice. So cooking is finished. As you know, when you cook yourself and you follow the healthy diets, no one is gonna help. You have to do it yourself, everything, as I'm doing it myself. So actually healthy diet doesn't need a lot of things, it's very shortcut. Maximum 5 to 10 minutes you need just to boil them, 2 minutes, cut them 2 minutes, then you just put the oil and you're done. So right now I'm gonna peel the avocados. Let me just dish it. Everyone knows, because avocado is unsaturated fat, is a healthy fat, and this avocado size is actually is very small, so that's why I'm just taking 2 of them. So if somebody want to contain one, they can still go for one. This one is a bit soft, So viewers, you see that I prepared the meal, so I'm gonna have it right now. And this meal, as I was preparing, I explained to you, and I'm gonna tell you right now as well. So this is a full source of chicken breast. You can see it's a source of protein. Then I have avocado here. So guys, it's really tasty and I'm enjoying it. So viewers, I almost have some of my meal, and what else I can say? You can see it's very colorful, this dish, when I made it, and it's very easy. Anybody can easily make it at home. It's very healthy as well. If you don't like, without spice, that's why I just keep some the sauce, little bit, not much of it, so that you can have some taste. So what I want to tell, so the healthy diet is very important. Only working out, it doesn't help you. I'll finish after I finish the video, okay? So what else I was trying to say, only healthy diet, it can't help you. With healthy diet, you need workout plans. Obviously you need to work out, even if it's not in a daily basis, at least in a week 2 to 3 times. And besides, you should have a healthy diet. You'll get a great results on your body. You're gonna have stamina. You're gonna have a in your body like strength, flexibility. You can fight against the disease. So the whole world at present time, they're very concerned about the sickness, the illness, especially after COVID. So let me just enjoy my meal, and see you guys again in the next video. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.